If you're still doing boring manual tasks in Excel in 2025, you're wasting your time. In this video, I'll show you 5 jaw-dropping Excel tricks that will make your colleagues think you've got a secret AI assistant. From adding country flags images in one click to auto-updating inventory and even dynamic progress trackers, you're about to witness the Excel glow-up you never knew you needed. Stick around till the end because these are the same hacks that help thousands of Office Master followers get faster, smarter, and way more efficient, all with just a few formulas. Ready? Let's master Excel like never before. Don't add country flags data manually in your Excel sheet like this. Let me tell you, this is a simple trick. If you want to add flags, select the whole range, go to data, select the drop down, click on geography. Now choose the image for your table and boom, it's done. You can also add other required fields here. Just expand the rows and you can find all country flags here. Do you also add progress bars like this? You need to stop now. Let me show you the much better way. Select the cell, type the formula is equal to repeat text and number times, then change the font type to playbill. Drag the formula to all the rows and boom, it's done.
Are you still tracking your tasks like this? It's high time. Stop now. Let me show you how it's done. Select these cells and press Alt plus N plus C plus B to add checkboxes in cells. Now go to progress, type this formula to show the progress percentage is equal to count if, select the range, add your criteria, divided by count A, select the range again, and you can see your progress now. Now select the whole set of data, go to conditional formatting, choose new rule, type this formula, then click format and make your changes. Boom, it's done.
Want to create an auto-updating inventory list in Excel? Let me show you how it's done. Select the cell where you want to show in-stock items. Enter this formula is equal to filter. Select the whole set of data, select the quantity range and set it as greater than 0. This pulls all items with stock greater than 0. Now for out-of-stock items, just copy the same formula and switch greater than to 0 to is equal to 0. Boom, now you're showing only the items that are out of stock. The best part, as your inventory changes, this list updates automatically. No manual effort, no errors. This is how pros manage inventory in Excel. It's 2025 and you still changing text cases like this? You need to stop now. Instead, do this, take a look, use the following formulas is equal to upper, proper and lower with selecting cells for each. Drag the formula to all the rows and boom, it's done. So there you go. No more boring spreadsheets, no more manual errors. You just unlocked some of Excel's smartest power moves. If you found even one trick that made you say, boom, it's done, smash that like button, share this with your work bestie, and don't forget to subscribe to Office Master for more genius level hacks every week. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next one.